Hello, this time we're going to do lesson 1 to 4. To start with, we need to read the stop meanness online. What should you do if someone's mean to you online? You should do these 4 points. You should step away from the computer, tell or trust to the adult, come back, and then go on a site which your parents is alright with you going on. Then you need to pause and think. And so that you won't go on any website or app that's not nice to go on. Power up your passwords. These are nice things you should use when you're making any type of password. Start with a memorable phrase. You can use letters and numbers and also symbols. So perhaps it can be a word you made. Still, you should remember it. And perhaps write it down somewhere. Only your parents should know your password. Means you can only tell your parents. Only your parents. Or else, if you don't remember, your parents can help you. That's why you should tell them. Never use any private identity information in your password. Means don't use anything that can lead to you. Create passwords with at least 8 characters. Meaning like use words that have at least 8 letters or numbers. So means 8 in total or more. Use letters, numbers and symbols. In your password, a symbol can mean like $, rupees. All those are symbols. Also percentage. Once you're done, continue. Then you will be watching this video and then let's see what you learned from it. Learn to program by writing code from your friends, which also means you'll be learning new blocks in this. Once you're done, press continue. You need to watch this video very nicely. Yes, you might think you know how to do it, but trust me, it's different. Because, look, what you need to do in this. First, for this puzzle, drag all the blocks together and click run. You'll see something like this when you open it. So you'll put in that move forward there, and this more. These blocks mean like in whichever direction you're facing, it'll go. Okay? Here, drag an extra move forward. I hope you can do the rest on your own. For now, see what will happen when you click run. Help me. To left means you'll be facing the opposite direction. Mean facing here. Then it means go forward. Then it goes go left. Forward, forward, forward. So it will make to the peg. Let's see if we are right. Correct. You can review the code or continue. Now, we'll need to come to the page anytime. This is how a repeat loop looks in this way. And you know what a move forward is. That's right. You will start with a repeat loop if you want to. And they're saying to put 2 more. Should I tell you which one we're doing in this part? There are many. You can choose any, but I'm going to be showing you this one. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Like that. So, you need to go forward. Then you're saying to go left. And then you're saying to go right in this one. That's right. Now you're telling me to put move forward. That's true. You can't sneak up properly because then Oh, we did something wrong. What did we? Oh, you needed to go on a right first time. See, you need to be careful in the directions you put. That means you need to go left this time. We completed programming of Angry Birds. Meet you next time when we're gonna be doing lesson 5.